Assalomu alaykum, charchamayapsizlarmi? Xullas, bugun men sizlar bilan Past Simple birgalikda o'rganamiz. Tushuntirib beraman. Past Simple is used to talk about actions, events, or states that happened in the past. Describe something that occurred at the specific time and is now finished. Past Simple o'zi nima? O'tgan oddiy zamon hisoblanib, u o'tgan vaqtda sodir bo'lgan harakatlar, voqealar yoki holatlarni ifodalash uchun ishlatiladi. Bu aniq bir vaqtda sodir bo'lgan va hozir tugagan ishlarni bildiradi. For example, I watched a movie yesterday. She went to school last Monday. Men kino ko'rdim. Kecha kino ko'rdim. U maktabga bordi dushanba kuni. Shun kabi bo'ladi. Rules of past simple. Past simple asosiy 3 ta rules qoidasi mavjud. First, action completed in the past. Past simple is used for action that happened at a specific time in past. For example, I visited Paris last year. She watched a movie yesterday. Ya'ni o'tgan aniq bir vaqtda sodir bo'lgan ish-harakatlar uchun biz past simpledan foydalanamiz. Ya'ni man o'tgan yili Parijga tashrif buyurdim yoki u kino ko'rdi kecha kabi. Va second, a series of past action. It is used to describe several actions happening one after another in the past. For example, he got up, brushed his teeth, and had breakfast. She opened the door, entered the room, and sat down. Ya'ni o'tgan zamonda ketma-ket sodir bo'ladigan ish-harakatlar uchun ham biz past simpledan foydalanamiz. Ya'ni u uyg'ondi, tishlarini yuvdi va nonushta qildi. Bularni hammasi past simpledan foydalanamiz. So, bo'ladi action at a specific time in the past. Ayni ma'lum bir aniq vaqtda o'tgan zamonda sodir bo'lgan harakatlar uchun biza past simpledan foydalanamiz. Used when the action is linked to a specific point in the past, often with time expression like yesterday, last week ago. For example, they arrived at 7 p.m. I met my friends 2 days ago. Shunaqa gaplar va yana biza keldik. Past simple structure, ya'ni formulasi. The subject comes first, followed by the past form of the verb yoki id, ya'ni ba'zi bir so'zlar bor, oddiygina id qo'shimchasi yordamida yasaladi va irregular verb bor. Unda esa noto'g'ri fe'llar jadvali hisoblanadi. O'zi ko'p grammatika qoidalarida ko'rgan bo'lsanglar, kitoblarda ko'rgan bo'lsanglar, ba'zi bir so'zlardan keyin id qo'shimchasini qo'shish orqali yasaladi. And negative does not before the base form of the verb bo'ladi va so'roq shaklida esa did yordamchi fe'li oldinga chiqish orqali va undan keyin subject, undan keyin verb bo'lib yasaladi. For example, did she finish your report last Thursday? Did they tell me a secret? Uning report, ya'ni qilgan ishini o'tgan chorshanbada tugatganmidi yoki ular sirlarini menga aytganmidi, shunaqa bo'ladi. Va ba'zida why, ya'ni so'roq shaklda yordamida so'roq so'zlar why words lar bilan ham yasaladi. When did she finish her report? What did they tell me kabi. Okay, time expression. Doimgidek biza keyworddan foydalanamiz va first, yesterday, last ago bo'ladigan bo'lsa, bular asosiy keywordlardan biri hisoblanadi. Yesterday kecha, last week, last month, last year o'tgan hafta, o'tgan oy, o'tgan yil, ago oldin, 2 days ago, a year ago bular hammasi bo'ladi. For example, I met my friends yesterday. Mani do'stimni uchratdim, kecha uchratdim. She traveled to Paris last year. U Parijga sayohat qildi o'tgan yili. She moved to London 2 years ago. U Londonga ko'chib o'tdi 2 yil oldin. In plus year season this period. Use to indicate a specific year, month, or season. For example, I was born in 2005. Man 2005 yilda tug'ilganman. We visited Italy in summer. Biza Italiyaga tashrif buyurganmiz. Summer, ya'ni yozda buyurganmiz. When I was a child, in my childhood kabi iboralar ham bu keyword hisoblanadi. For past simple. For example, I loved playing football when I was child. Man yosh bo'lganimda qachonki o'ynaganman, futbol o'ynashni sevganman judayam. Ko'p bolalar aytsa kerak. For example, man ham yoshligimda futbol o'ynashni judayam sevganman. No, hozir yoqtirmayman. We often visited our grandparents in my childhood. Biz bizning grandparentga tez-tez buyuramiz, yoshligimizda buyurganmiz.